what's happened now? Now I just follow me around.
I see say you know the fear face.
Which face? This one? My friend, come for it before I make that your face down.
Something they worry you for head?
My friend, kneel down here! Kneel down! Kneel down before I dismantle your stomach. Who burn you?
I go kneel down now. Come
kneel down, my friend. Kneel down there.
So what am I? I am unbound myself. How many bottles can they drink? I am unbound. They need to drink me. Let them come and challenge me with only hands. Let me show them that a woman can beat stupidity out of their body. Nah, my guy, go down, oh. You need to open your eyes in this furniture. Shine your eyes. Let small boys be playing with you. It's just that weapon they came with. Hell!
Don't bring problem to this house.
In fact, they don't make me get upset. I'll just go outside and beat those boys. If I stand like this, I'll face all of them. It's because of you I'm even putting you before they'll bring dead body here. You know, I have to come and go back to the village before I kill somebody this city. Or this one on the child, or whatever you call it.
Hey, you stay this on the child. You stay here.
This is very serious. So you're trying to tell me that the boy that stopped you and was asking if your name is Nkasi was one of those boys?
The same boy. The same boy.
Hi. Who could this be? Nkasi, how does this guy look like?
Yeah, one black monkey like that.
Black monkey? Hi. Who is this black monkey? Black, like very black.
Yeah. First thing tomorrow morning. Yeah, I'm packing my things and I'm going back to the village. Because Onitsha people are thieves. You want to go? Tomorrow morning I will pack my things back to the village.
Nkasi, you don't have to live like that.
Gini. Mowa. Alan. Mowa in this town. Because bros, hap that thing. Don't even go there. Huh? Yeah, I can't stay here now. I'll just kill somebody.
Black monkey. Who could this be? What was behind this thing? But my sister, you just came to Onitsha now. You cannot just leave.
Bros, Biko, hap that thing. I'm just respecting you now.
No, it's okay.
Alam.
Hello.
I hope no problem.
After a certain girl, and I was directed to this place.
What's her name?
I was told that her name is Nkasi.
Sorry, what about this girl? Are you a policeman?
No, not at all, not at all. I'm from the Nigerian Ministry of Sports. I am among the selected crew to hunt for the athletes that represent Nigeria in the next Olympic Games in London.
Really?
Yeah, I saw her running yesterday and I was so impressed by her running skills. I want her to join our girls that are in our camp at Abuja already for the training. Who knows? She might be selected among the ones that represent Nigeria in London.
Hey, yeah, she's my sister. She's my sister. But unfortunately, she just left for the village this morning. This morning. But the village is not far from here. I can get her for you.
No problem. I came in my car. I can go to any length to get her.
Oh, otherwise no problem. The village is not even far. Nana will just reach. Let me just pick 1 or 2 things that I will drop for people in the village. She's my sister. Kasi is my sister.
Thank God. Thank God. If those rascals had harmed you, what would I have done?
Papa, that Onitsha is a terrible place. Yeah, very terrible place. Ndushi criminals, all of them. Yeah, Papa, you see the prices of common pepper. Common pepper. Yeah, this common palm fruit. Papa, if you see the prices. Yeah, in fact, do you know that I was supposed to work for one man? Yeah, for 1 full month, this man said he will pay me 10,000. Can you imagine?
My daughter, that is city life for you.
Yeah, Papa, I don't need it though. Even if they give me the whole of that city for free. Yeah, I don't need it. What happened to my hands? Yeah, Papa. Are you expecting somebody?
Not at all. What offense did you commit at Onitsha?
Yeah, Papa, nothing now.
Is that not Madu?
Oh, Madu.
Who is that person with him?
Papa, how are you? Papa, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
What is good about this afternoon? Madu, what is good about this afternoon? When it has not up to 1 hour and Cassie came back and we are here chasing after her with this stranger. Is this man a policeman?
No, Papa, it's not.
We'll come in peace, sir.
Yes, Papa, we'll come in peace. Real peace.
We come in peace.
We have just few months to the Great Sports Festival. During the course of her training with us, she will be placed on a monthly allowance of 20,000 naira. Yes. Her accommodation and welfare will be duly taken care of by the federal government. And if eventually she happens to be among the selected athletes that will be in London for the game, then God has finally smiled on you people.
Hey!
This is real good news, my son.
Papa, not just good news. I was speechless when he told me about his motive. You see, this is an opportunity that people vie for with money. They used to bribe to get this kind of a thing. This thing now just came to our doorstep, bam! Just like that.
Joy!
Papa, it is not magical. This is a miracle from God.
Yeah.
Straight!
Madu, wait. Oga, now let me tell you something. If it is to run and not get tired, Oga, I am telling you that is me. Nobody in this world can meet me. Onya, me, I am in this whole town. Ask him. It's like the more I run, the more momentum I get. The faster I run, it's like the more energy that Kasi has. Yeah, don't worry. There is no competitor. They have chosen me already. You see Abuja? I'm going there. Hey! Okay! No,
That's my daughter for
I'm a
you.
professional young man. You don't need to tell me. I saw it myself on that very day. Yes, I saw it.
Yeah, Baba, you see?
So, what is the next step forward?
I have to go and come back in 3 days' time to take her with me to our camp in Abuja. And once she fills the form, I'll come with. That's all.
What about allowances? That one very important.
That one is automatic. Once she fills the form, an account will open in her name in the government paying bank. And then every Friday, her money drops into her account. Just like that.
Yeah, my money will be dropping. It will be dropping. Ain't going. Just see. Now, see me see Abuja. See me see Abuja. You got to go, hey, check Cassie out, man. Hey. Okay, wait, though. I want to ask something. Is it a way that I can have upfront? You know, that's my money that will be dropping. Just give me upfront, so that me and my pale, we can enjoy small now before I come and meet you in Abuja. You know, so that it will not look like you know now it's a business.
Well, when we get to the camp, I'll see what I can do. But for now, let's wait.
Okay, when we enter camp, it's okay.
You were telling him about giving you some money so you use and groove. Why, when you got to the time of furniture, why did you just go? I don't.
Yeah, bros, you know now, Onitsha business is not clean business. Ndoshi everywhere.
Ndoshi, not everybody.
Now happen that bros have told you be shining your eyes in that Onitsha. They will sell you in your shop. This is Abuja, is the way forward. Now let's go to Abuja. Hey!
Sports.
Now you be my man. You're my man.
You give a canvas, so canvas.
Now let's go Abuja. Hey! Now give. Don't worry. Do you know those kind of canvas that the footballers they wear in TV? Hey! Sing Cassie, sing. Oh!
Hey! She carried her bag and went back to the village yesterday. Very good. Very good. I sent her back to the village where she rightly belongs.
She don't go back to the village now. Do you
Do you know what those guys did? After beating her up, she forgot her sister and ran back.
Are you serious? Wait, so Mabuka did not eat that night?
I want to know that.
What did you do? Maybe he went back to Mama Put again now.
He has no option.
Me?
Hey, she won't try me for this time.
What I get hammer you. I can't make him sure.
She go beat you. Let me won't fight her.
No.
Hey! Maybe she don't run. Now one. In fact, my own at 10.
Okay, baby.
Come in.
Yeah, good morning.
Who are you?
That brother called us said that this is my room.
The new girl in camp, right?
Yes, I'm the one.
I see. Hey, God have mercy. So, of all the girls in this camp, is this village pig that Jerry decides to make my new roommate? Hey. I better drop your bag there, Joe. Hey! I beg you, don't push my bag. Are you crazy? Drop it the other side. Shift it more. Drop it the other side. I beg you. You see this bush pig? Sorry. Is that all you know how to say?
Sorry.
Please, can't you sit the other way?
Oh, sorry.
Good morning, people. How was your night? Listen to me. We must not take our morning assembly lightly. We must all report here every day for our morning prayer before the day's activities. Have I made myself clear? Yes, sir. Okay. Hey, hold it there, Cassie. Hold it there. Where are you coming from?
Good morning, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I overslept. Nah, the air condition in my room is giving so much ogoro in my body.
Hold it there! Quiet, all of you. Next time, don't come to the assembly late. Have I made myself clear? Sit down. Sit down. Our Lord's Prayer.
Center. More of that, behind that. I can't see the finesse in you. Let's go. That's the game. You, more of that. That's it. Touch the family, touch them. Back you. Touch it. Let's go, come on. Up. Now your knees. Let's go. Gently, then faster. Let's go, faster. Let's go. More of that. Give one check. Now, relax it. Throw. Relax the muscle. Okay, let's try. Go up. The other way, clockwise. Yeah. That's the game. Relax. The legs. Free them. To avoid muscle pull. Free the legs. You soon get your muscles cramped up. Free them. Free the legs. That's the game. Go, Jerry. Okay, wait. Sit down. Maintain your line. Sit down.
nkasi obi mo okwi biara no wakasi obi ho mwakego nke mjika sogi biara wa ikasi obi ho nkasi mwamo amumu no toto nkasi mwamo onwa mu machijie negarapo mona umu negarapo anye naba nkasi mwamo ebo wamo nkasi kasi ebo bio ofuna moke ofuna mwanye nkasi mwamo emekwa na mifele kasi ebo bio abawakwa na mobi nkasi mwamo do kasi ebo bio kasi ebo bi nkasi mwamo.
That is the spirit. That is the spirit. That is the spirit. That's the game. That's the game. That's the game. That's the game.
Mandaru! Oh boy, see, I want to ask a question here. Where did you get that Nkasi gun from? Where?
Do you have to ask a man how he got to do his job? I am doing what I'm being paid to do, man.
Do you know what? That girl has got everything needed here. I mean, she's got the skills, the stamina, the finesse, the agility, and what have you? She's just something else.
You know, I was even thinking Fumi from Bajsi was the best athlete in this camp. But I can see that I was wrong after all. I think Nkasi is too much.
You're yet to see her best.
You're too much.
We have it there.
I must give you a thumb up for this.
We have it there, man.
But I pray she maintains this.
Of course.
No, of course she will. She will.
So have it there. We have it there.
We have to retire back to the drawing board and see how we can create
that's it. So let's go.
Collect them, go and sit down. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way.
Give me the screen now.
As you get yours, go that way and sit down. Back.
Give me the.
Oh, no, I told you.
Mine.
Yeah. Give me Fast. Make it snappy. Fast. Fast as you collect, you start to sit down there. Fast. This is the second time you're collecting. Fast. Go Jerry, we're going for the bigger ones, right? That's the game. Okay. This is the best we've got here. Fast.
Lunch things,
Fiesta things. Oh my God.
So, I'm so exhausted.
So tired.
That's your new roommate. What's her name, sir?
That's in Dikeh. Typical village in
Why are you guys talking like that? Did you engage in a fight or something?
Who cares? Her name is Nkasi.
Why did you do like that? Why are you guys laughing? What happened?
My dear, that girl is so pushy. She's so annoying. She's so irritating.
See, babes, seriously, I don't know why that girl was enlisted on this our badge. I mean, she should have been on this badge, B or C, where those other village local girls are. Good.
Your own is not good.
But see, listen, girls. That girl is very good. That girl is the best. She's very good.
So, who cares? Even if she's good, is that enough reason for our coaches to start picking so much interest on this girl as if we that have been in this camp for the past 1 month mean nothing?
Seriously?
Imagine.
See, which let me tell you, whether that girl is good or not, the fact still remains that we've been on this camp right before her. I mean, it's going to be so annoying, so unfair if she's selected while any of us is dropped.
See, listen, girls, it's not about the time you came in here. From the look of things, that girl appears to be the best in this batch. Honestly.
Who cares?
Hello, girls. Should you pick and go for your lunch, right?
Alright, thanks,
Okay,
thank you, sir.
Alright, best.
Who cares? As far as I mean you, my girl, I know you're with me now. As far as we are concerned, we are going to make this camp a living hell.
God, I trust you, girl. I am right behind you.
I don't care if
she's not going to run away from this
camp.
camp. She will run away from this camp.
Yes, of course she will. Definitely.
Shoma, Joy,
I beg no.
you guys should listen to me. What both of you should not forget in a hurry. Whatever God has destined anybody to be in this life, no amount of jealousy can stop it. So get into that thick core.
Amen. Amen. Take care.
Oh my girl, I'm still with that girl.
Do you know this girl came into room?
Are you serious?
See how dirty and stinky this girl is? Oh my God. Hey! Nkasi, who touched my bag?
No, I don't know.
What do you mean by you don't know? How many of us are in this room?
Yeah, you have not even come close to that, your bag.
God have mercy. You know you're lying.
You say? Mama, lying.
Let me tell you, you better be careful in this camp. Else, I will...
Stop pointing me finger. Yeah, stop pointing me finger. Oh.
What will you do? Tell me, what will you do?
Okay. Nah, that's trouble that you're looking for. When you see it, nah, you will run. Oh. You will not like what you're looking for. Oh. Since I came into this place now, I have been on my own. Now you keep looking for my trouble. Hey, you will not like what you see. Oh, I'm warning you now. Oh. Okay.
Nkasi Obi, you cannot talk back at me, Choma.
Oh, kwa makakwa oh. Oh, kwa makakwa oh.
Here. Me, Choma, will cry for you. Me will cry for you, Nkasi. Nkasi, who told you to wear that train?
Shoma.
Shut up.
Yeah, I wanted to come out for my personal training. And the laundry man brought 2 trainers. Yeah, I wore this one. What have I done wrong?
Don't you know I was supposed to choose before you? Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, nah, sorry, oh, but the other one is there. If you want to now do personal training by yourself, go and wear that one. I have already worn this one.
Jesus Christ, Oma.
Choma, stop this thing you're doing.
You shut up your mouth. Just shut your mouth. Shut your mouth now. Take it off.
You see?
You heard
I
that.
said take it off this minute. Man, go and carry the other trainer away if you want to do personal training. Can't you say I've worn this one? Show me where they wrote your name on it.
So you have the mouth to even talk.
Eh? Stop! Take that trainers off! Stop it!
Shut up, shut up.
Yeah!
I am quite sure that you girls are well informed about the camp rules. Why have you decided to break the rules? Or do you want us to send you home?
Sir, ever since this girl came into this camp, it has been fighting and quarreling. We've been living in this camp in peace for the past 1 month until she came.
Now, bros, let me tell you what happened. Now, since I came into this camp, these 2 children have been looking for my trouble. Everywhere that I go, now they will just be looking for my trouble. Now, I don't understand what's the problem. What did I do? What did I do to them? I don't know. I don't know if it is jealousy or what. I'll be dodging these girls, but they'll be coming after me with their troubles.
Liar! Liar!
Come on, my friend, shut up. Look at this one. She's lying, no?
Enough! You girls will have to go back to your rooms. You hear from us later.
Thank you, bros.
Jero, from the look of things, those other girls are jealous of her.
Yeah, it's obvious. Her performances are too outstanding, and she was the last girl in camp.
Yes. What do we do? I don't want us to send Cassie home.
No, don't go there. She can't go home now. No, she can't.
No one goes home, okay? I think the most ideal thing to be done now is swap the girls, okay? Let some of the girls in batch A be moved to batch B, while some of the girls in batch B be moved to C, and vice versa. I think by so doing, those 3 girls who are causing these troubles wouldn't be in the same group. That's a brilliant idea.
Very brilliant. Very brilliant, yeah.
I think that's what we're going to do.
Yeah.
your leg. Come on, spread your leg. Widen your leg. Widen your leg. What are you doing?
What was the result of yesterday's punishment? Nah, nothing. Just a little adjustment in the listing.
Yeah, I know they won't send you back.
Yeah, why do you say that?
Because your gift is undeniable.
Thank you, thank you. It's God.
Okay, please, come. Can you tell me your little secret?
Yeah, which secret? Anyway, because you're my friend, though. You see, before I was born, my 7 brothers that my mother gave birth to, yeah, they all died at birth. Yeah. So when I was born, yeah, my father took me to the Afar priest. You know, he wanted to know what my destiny was. Yeah, since my other brothers all had died. So the Afar priest now said that that I was a reincarnation of my 7 brothers that had died. Yeah, so they all teamed and came back in a form of a girl. You know, because they wanted to take revenge. Yeah, on all the people that I don't know what happened. So that is why it's like all the powers that my brothers had, all the strength, all the energy, you know, the kind of unnatural power that they have, you know, it was all transferred to me. Nah, so that is why it seems like me, I'm, you know, not the way I am. So they say it's some kind of supernatural. So,
hey, it sounds like an epic fairy tale.
It is, my sister, but it's true.
Well, I cannot doubt you. But wait, between I and Choma, who do you think is better?
Yeah, in terms of speed, what I go, yeah, you're better. But yeah, that girl has a lot of stamina. You know, she has stability. She can, yeah, she has endurance. You know, so that's just it. But if you speed, nah, you did too much.
From your own judgment, tell me the truth. Who do you feel will be selected between I and Choma to make up with you?
Nah, babe, how far now? You're talking as if they've already selected me.
Even the blind can see you're selected already.
It's God, thank you. Well, it depends on what they want. Yeah, if they want more people in the 100 meters and the 200 meters, yeah, they will take you. But yeah, man, if they want more people in marathon and the other one relay race, then they might take her. But it's okay now, you're not doing badly.
It's okay, but I really want to go to London.
I really want to go to London. I know, you just pray and work hard. It's okay, you're not doing badly. Now let's go before that man will come and start looking for you.
Pull up, let's go. By the powers bestowed on me, I read out the names on our final shortlist. Please, whatever the end result is, take it in good faith, okay? Yes. Batch C, Fumi Okaro.
Jesus. Ah! Jesus.
Onyemechi Okoro.
Oh, Jesus!
Batch B, Chika Okafo. And Chinenye Okeke. And the last but not the least, Batch A, Nkasi Ofonze.
Yeah! Nkasi! Yeah!
Uju Ofoma.
Let's go and do rice and stew. Now with chicken and turkey, we box it all together.
All of them.
And we eat it.
London,
here I come.
Nkasi, so you just enter aeroplane and just fly to London, just like that?
Yeah, son, my level don't change. Oh, moi, I'm now a London girl. I'm no longer in your level.
You have not even gone. You are talking like this. So when you come back, how will you be talking?
You think I'm on your level? Now, Nkasi has ported. I don't port from village. I port to Onitsha. From Onitsha, I migrate to Abuja. From Abuja, London.
Let me tell you, if you like go to America or go to London, I'll be here waiting for you to marry you.
Like Osondu, there is no business. Yeah, man, look at the difference is clear. You know you're still a hunter, a village hunter. Nkasi is a London girl, so please. Yeah, Nkasi has stepped up. Very important. Point of correction.
You are mocking me, okay?
No, I can't mock you now. I'm just, I'm reminding you of your profession. You should be proud of it.
I hunt, Nkasi, you know that I hunt just to like you do. My father, Diego. You know that.
Thing is it.
Okay. It's alright.
You bringing that
it's alright. That reminds me. Let me remind you. don't forget to greet Eliza for me.
I will see Elizabeth. Kasi will see Elizabeth.
If you see Eliza, why that Osondo, na culture or something?
The problem now is that as you look at I don't understand how Elizabeth will now. You have to go know who you are because you're a local hunter. Level have changed.
You have moved.
Level don't change, my brother. Yes, so.
Ordinary
I don't pot. I pot from the village to Onisha, from Onisha to Abuja, from Abuja, London. London, here I come.
Nkasi London.
That's
Nkasi
what's
London.
Hello? Hello, sister? Hello, sister? Network. Sister? Yes, sister. I can hear you now. Welder. The weather. Hey, sister. Sister, sorry, just manage, eh? Just manage, eh? Sorry. Oh, cold. Hey. But they should have given you people sweater now or blanket. So you wear and cover yourself. And let the cold not catch you too much. Oh, with pillow. Sister. Hey, the cold, I can't even hear the cold in your voice. Hey, sister. I try to see how. Yeah, he's even dragging the phone. He came to visit me in Onitsha. Hey, sister. Let me give him the phone. Hello, sister. Sister Mo, how are you? Yes, sister, we are fine. Hey, sister, this life is full of surprises. Hey, yes, amen. He say, oh, he's taking good care of me. I even took care of her too, I wish she was here. Sister, you see, we have been watching you on television. We've been watching you people on television. Sister, I tell anyone who cares to listen that you're my sister.
Our sister?
Oh, our sister.
Not only your sister.
Our sister. Hello? Okay, they've come to call you for training.
Joggy, jog alone, sister. Jog. Okay, sister. Jog. Sister, we're jogging. We're jogging with you, sister. We're jogging. Okay, sister. Sister. Everything is happening to me like a surprise, like a dream. Madu, wake up. Reality. Wake up. Let her go there. Let her go and do the training. Jog. Go step again. I should press the 1, 2, 3, 4. Jog. That's it. Let's go. Come back to network. Okay, let's stay here till evening. She'll call again. She'll call again. Because once she finish jogging, she will still come. She'll go. Wonderful.
What is the meaning of this madness?
I am not mad. Nkasi, my daughter, has won the Olympic gold medal for women marathon race.
Huh?
Yes.
You mean that Obodoyibo she went to a month ago?
Yes. Be coming. Let me go. Hey! Oh! God has done it.
What you denied my brother Nduka in 7 sons, you gave him in 1 single daughter. I thank you, Chikwabiama. I thank you.
Madam!
Yes, sir.
Madam!
Hey, my customer, I'm coming.
Show! Madam!
I'm coming, oh.
Madam!
Oh, my customer. Hey.
What is holding you?
Please, stop your fellow.
Bring 1 bomb for me, 1 bottle for me, and then, in fact, give everybody here 1 bomb.
2.
Bomb.
2.
Bomb. Yes, I am capable. I am equal to the task.
Are you drunk or something?
Wambada, my sister has made me proud. Oh yes! My sister is the first Nigerian woman to win an Olympic gold medal. Olympic gold medal. Not your sister, my sister.
No, so because you won the Olympic marathon race, you want to drink yourself to death?
Oh yes! I will drink until I can drink no more. I can see you're jealous. Wambada, you're jealous. Because it's not, if I don't even know what I'm talking to you. Drink beer if you want to drink beer. Madam!
Yes, sir, I'm coming.
Wambo! Yeah, I just drink. You're not the one paying. I know you're scared. Put my own, put his own. Put for everybody.
Yes, sir.
Madam. Fat.
Bros here. This one have blessing for inside group. There you.
How about a drink? Drink up. It is not your money.
Babada. Rico.
Hey, my customer.
Yes.
It's a total of 15 bottles with them kwabi.
So how much is it? How much is it, madam?
It's 5,000. 5,000 naira.
Chicken change.
I know
Mambada.
what you can do.
Pay her. You see? Oh yes. Pay her.
I should pay her.
Yes.
Listen, if you are drunk, you better go home and sleep. What do you mean I should pay her?
See, he's not stepping an inch from here till he pays the last cover.
Mambada, if you don't have money to pay her, you're always a pauper. In fact, madam, I will give you your money tomorrow.
Madam, wait. Listen, just leave him now.
Madam, wait.
Give me my money. You're not going out there.
You're romancing me.
Yes.
Madam, listen, I'll pay you.
I will touch you where you don't like.
I'll pay you. Just give it.
I need the money.
You're romancing me.
That is your business.
You said 5,000 naira.
It's 5,000 naira.
Madam, you're sexually harassing me.
Take the money and stop embarrassing yourself.
Yes. It's your friend that started embarrassing yourself.
Don't worry, just go.
I will not come here again.
Okay, let's leave here.
I will not come again.
This year, you have to give everybody what looks.
Is it because of
Come on, get out.
You're a poor man, my father.
You are welcome to the Nixon TV. Nigerian Kasi Obi Ofenze has become the first Nigerian to win a gold medals in the ongoing Olympic Games in London. She won the women marathon race yesterday, while Ethiopian Numa Swallow becomes a runner-up with the silver medals. Nigeria now has a total of 17 bronze, 10 silver, and 1 gold medals. And a closing development, Ghana football team.
Jesus. So this is true. Nkasi is now a celebrity. No wonder she'll never end up. No one will come to any man.
Man, I'm just short of words.
Hey! A celebrity like a celebrity.
Like a born celebrity. A born celebrity.
Hey! This is not true. Wait, Nkasi will be.
Madam, could you please tell us how you feel today?
I am very, very happy today. Nah, this is a dream come true. I want to thank everybody, you know. I want to say a very big thank you to Nigerians. I am very proud to be a Nigerian. Yeah, I want to thank the Nigerian government. I want to tell them that they should thank you very much. One love. I'm very happy to be a Nigerian. Yeah, this is for my papa. Daddy, thank you very much. One love. I'm coming home. And to my brothers, Ini Edo and Maduka. Boys, this is for all of us. Yeah, one love. I'm coming home. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you very much. Nah, let's leave this place.
Acho, Madam, Acho, if you ask me, I'll say there is no need going to Abuja today. Like you know, the president will be hosting them tonight. And we might not have access to go and see her in a hotel.
No, Madoka, wait. Let me. Wait, are you telling me? No, are you? What are you? Are you trying to tell me that we should not go and welcome our sister who has made us proud?
No. So what are you trying to say?
I just say, what I'm trying to say is this. Maybe we should leave it for tomorrow or next tomorrow. The protocol now will be too high. And see, let me tell you, they might deny us access to see our sister. I'm telling you, it's Abuja we're talking about though.
I killed somebody. Mbombadu. No, I'm not joking. Mbombadu. What do you mean? They might deny us access to see our sister. My sister, my blood sister. No, it's not possible. That is not possible. Oh dear man.
She's not just your sister. She's not just my sister too. She's the sister to the whole nation. The daughter to the whole nation.
Madu, blood is thicker than water.
The same way bullet is thicker than granite. We're talking about Abuja here, not our village. Oh. It is not this village something.
Hey. Do you know? Nkasi, my daughter, had a one-on-one with his president of Nigeria last night. Hey! Nemeta. Mr. President shook her hands last night.
Yeah. I have always said it. The Nkasi is a special child made from heaven. From heaven. Nkasi akasi egobi. Akasi egobi.
Do you know that she said she won't even come down to the east until she finishes building a house?
Okay.
She can no longer stay in this hut.
Do you want mosquitoes to bite her? I want to tell you mosquito na ashaka mado.
Are you talking of Amunta? No more heat. No, air condition. House, air condition. Motor air condition.
You tell you. She said she bought a jeep for me. Someone never can just leave a jeep.
So you are now a car owner. Reverend,
No matter how they try, they can never stop what we'll be. Make me fall, make me rise. You can never stop my destiny. If I put them, what does it go? Oburo can you see channel? Cause
She's not in this one. Men are wicked. Take a look at the scars on their faces. If only they had allowed us in, at least you would have seen us now.
That man would have opened the gate. That security man would have opened the gate, but you spoiled it. Huh? Yes, you spoiled it.
What do you mean? What do you mean? How did I spoil it?
Yes, now you spoiled it now.
How?
When I told him that I'm an immediate elder brother, you then came and said you too, you are immediate elder brother. How many immediate elder brothers will she have? Huh? How many immediate elder brothers will she have? Maduka. It's not just one and it's me.
Maduka, shame on you. Now listen to yourself. Immediate what? Elder brother. Don't you know before she traveled to London, they must have done proper investigation and discovered that she is the only child. And now you're telling immediate elder brother like you people came from the same stomach. My friend, tell yourself the truth for once.
Now I'm the immediate elder brother. That is the truth. We have one family. Eh?
You spoiled it.
In fact, see, I will just go and see that security man. And I will tell him that she's my sister and I must see her. I don't know what this is you're saying.
Wait. What are we going to do now? You know we've exhausted all the money we came down here with. I'm hungry. I've not even eaten since morning.
Hey, don't shout now. This is Abuja. Eh? This is Abuja. They don't shout anyhow.
So what are we going to do? We're going to sell your gold. Which gold?
This gold that you know about. You knew how I collected this gold from Ikena. And now you want me... Is this thing gold? It's not even gold. Look at it. If you scratch it there, you know. It's just the color. all this thing I would have just seen. Let us wait now. Maybe she will come back and see us outside.
Sis.
Yes.
Why don't you call them to replace this one?
Yeah, you know me.
How many do you want to drink? You want to take like 5? Please.
No, it's okay if you want another one. Anya, just call them, they'll bring it. Something, eh? You see the weather in that place. They resell goro every day, goro in that place.
That is why you're fresh. Can you not say your body is fresh?
I'm telling you. Nah, Maduka, see as you are like this, eh? Now, if you go to London now, trust me, you don't do Igbo because you're already your Igbo.
I'm carrying that. Like this place now that we came, like imagine at this place.
Now, even my hand said that used to be strong. It's now very soft. Now, I don't move pounding of Akbo now. I'm not climbing of palm.
Oh, but don't even.
Now, have you seen their money?
No.
Let me show you. Take I have one. Hey. Now look at this. Oh, this one is even euros. You know this is 50 euros. See, this is 50 euros. Now, if you change this money, it will give you more than 20,000 naira.
20,000.
Over.
Wait, let me see.
Just let me wait.
Wait. You used to respect your senior brother. I didn't have smell. Very fine smell.
Hey. Yeah, I'm telling you, you don't need to carry it plenty. Just like this now, you can go in here.
That is good too. Nkasi, you see, as we are discussing, you see, building a duplex now will take us close to 3 months. And you cannot stay here for 3 months now.
Acho.
Maduka, see, sometimes you talk as if you don't have sense. Sorry to say, but if the money is there, 3 months is not enough. What are you to take less than 3 months for the structure to be erected?
Acho? Yeah, what's happening? Okay, Acho? Acho, wait. You want me to double the body?
You say right! 1 point again!
1.5 million.
Up for you! Up for you! Up for you! Hey! Sister!
Okay, hold down. I told you that levels have changed. Your sister is a big girl.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Now, what is the meaning of this?
God will bless you.
God will bless you.
God will bless you.
No, bam.
Thank you.
No.
Kasi, you are a true sister. After all the evil our father did to your father, Kasi, you still traveled. You came back and you remembered us as your brother.
Nah, I don't like this kind of people are doing at all. Now, what is the meaning of this? What can you be kneeling for me now? Now, get up, man.
It's only God that will bless you.
Oh yeah, get up now.
2 million naira.
Now, how can you be kneeling down for me now? It's so nice now. Now, get up, please. Get up now. Now, don't allow me to be upset. Now, leave that thing. Let's leave whatever happened in the past to remain in the past. Now, we are all one blood now. Now, God has kept us alive, and today now we are larger people.
We are all one.
We are one family.
Oh. 1.5, sister, thank you.
God will bless you.
Let me talk to you, okay?
Give me more, just put more, because God will bless our sister.
It's okay. Let us just enjoy and make merry. Now call the bar, let them bring pepper soup this year. I miss this year. No, I mean Nigerian food there. Every day is chips and chicken, oil.
That used to make belly to be somehow.
So, when are we going to pay official visit to our in-laws?
Papa, what in-laws?
Martin Duka and his family, of course.
Papa, I thought you said over your dead body will I marry Nkasi.
Are you still remembering that? See, in anger, any rubbish can come from the mouth. Regard it as foolery.
Anyway, I don't think that marriage can still work.
Why not?
Why are you asking me why not, Papa? Okay, Papa, look at it this way. How can a girl with such an exposure, Papa, a girl who has dined with kings and queens, influential men in and outside the country, how can she condescend so low to marry an ordinary villager like me, a hunter? Oh, what a garden.
Oh, Sunday. When she had not visited London, you were fetching her house as you were fetching water. You regarded each other as mates. Why are you now feeling inferior? Why are you feeling inferior?
Papa, her money is in dollar and pound, and she put it in the bank. Your own, naira, egungu, that you tie, in my ever in Africa, all these things. So tell me, okay, how do you even explain it further? A girl who has bought a car for the father, she has a new car, she's building a new house for the father. Tell me, where am I going to bring her into? This house. Nkasi is no longer my class.
It's a big shame that my son has low esteem. Let me tell you, it's with courage that a man can win a woman's heart, not by possessions. Talking about possessions, are they richer than I am? I am richer than the father. My house is better than her father's house till tomorrow. So what are you talking about?
Papa, to God, you don't know what you are talking about. You don't have an idea. Me and Nkasi.
Okay, it's just clear that my son wants to end up as a poor man. You can as well die as a poor man. Die as a poor man. Oh?
Papa, you don't
die a poor man.
never stop what will be. Make me fall, make me rise. You can never stop my destiny. If I chukudelo, odesigo, oburo kanisi chenowa. Kosiadi, yamano meriko omaranja, Jehovah mere omaranja. Ifanye abu kaya buwa, yamano meriko omaranja, Jehovah mere omaranja. Uche chukugeme, uche chukugeme, yamano meriko omaranja, Jehovah mere omaranja. Ifanye abu kaya buwa, yamano meriko omaranja, Jehovah mere omaranja. Uche chukugeme, uche chukugeme.
Anything you want, I'll give to you. Just say I'll give it. We all of us are together. How many? What do you want? Yes, yeah. Don't worry. Very good.
No. Where are you going to? Are you the only person who doesn't know that Nkasi is back? Nkasi is now in town. There will be enough to eat and drink.
Hey! You should be ashamed of yourself.
You why?
Ever since Nkasi went to London, you have suddenly turned to Mazin Doka's closest friend. Eh? Really? Long throat!
See, you have been my wife for a long time. You should have known me very well by now. See, I am not an evil man. The only problem I have is bad mouth. Bad mouth. All those quarrels are now past tense. They now belong to the past. None ever came from my heart. Are you going with me? Is your major?
No, God forbid.
You will join me?
I'm going to I don't have long throat like you. I can't eat my words.
Reverend sister. Abuja fono. Malacha bawa. Malacha bawa.
We all know why we are here. We are here today because we want to welcome the #1 citizen of Nigeria. Yes! Good our sister! Good our sister! Our sister! Nkasi is our sister. And now is the time for us to go and bring her out. So that people will see her as she returns from London. Thank you. Don't go anywhere. We are coming.
Ah, nice. Look at that.
Oh, go do you. Stand up. Stand up for the father of the #1 citizen of Nigeria. Yes. He's here. Now you must welcome the #1 citizen of Nigeria. To serve our fatherland, we never stay that way. Shall never be in vain. To serve without a man, one nation by freedom is our unity. What do you want? Anything. It's okay. Thank you very much. Awesome. One shake. Yeah, one shake.
City girls. Hey, see me on the babes, man. You on the chat. Now you came to celebrate with us.
All like that. What do we
Please give them drinks. Champagne, please.
Champagne.
Yeah, what you want to drink? Cha-cha. Her name is Yvonne.
Should we give them that one you brought back from?
Bring everything.
No.
There's one they call Dom Perignon.
Oh, yeah.
Dom Perignon, bring it. Now give it to them.
Hold on the drum.
Oh, baby girl. Wow. Now chop no. Hey, it's man. On the shopping base. Pull up. Security on that. That's the #1 citizen of Nigeria. Security.
What will happen will happen. Oh my God! You don't get back again. Give me what to drink. Give me what to drink.
It's all okay. It's okay. Take it.
Warm.
Hey, Nkasi.
Osondo.
Nkasi.
Now, what was the meaning of that thing that you just did now? Trying to greet me with 2 hands.
Nkasi, your level has changed. I'll be stupid not to know that you have moved up. Whom God has favored, no man can curse. We are no longer on the same level.
Yeah, so because now my level has changed. Yeah, that means that my name has also changed.
Mbano,
it's just that
It's now good. Wonderful. This is with your soul. I am okay with this. It's okay.
Yeah, also, I thought you said that you loved me.
you know, I still just that.
Yeah, you see, that is the problem. Yeah, you're very, very like a coward. You're not even man enough. You cannot even say it.
No, it's
Osondu. Now, do you still want to marry me?
Eh?
Yes or no? Do you still want to marry me?
Hey! 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 Hey!
Muna gige pi yo.
matter how they try, they can never stop what will be. Make me fall, make me rise, you can never stop my destiny. If you put the law, Odesigo, Oburo can you see Chenoa? Cause ya di Yamado America, Oburunja, Jehovah.